There are a lot of options when it comes to cameras, but finding the best camera under $1,000 can be a needle in a haystack scenario. But don't worry. In this video, we're going to unveil the top 5 best cameras you can buy under $1,000 this year. Now, the only catch here is that the camera might work perfectly fine for one, but it might not be ideal for you. That's why we've picked a variety of cameras catering to different needs and preferences. We've also given the link for each camera in the description below, so you can check them out for yourself. Now, without any further ado, let's focus on the real deal and get this picture-perfect list started. Number 1. Nikon Coolpix P950. If you need a super portable, super telephoto camera that gives you the freedom to take your creativity to another level, then you need to check out the Coolpix P950. This 16-megapixel compact machine is armed with an 83x optical zoom that'll make distant subjects feel like they're right in front of your eyes. Want to snap a moonshot or capture that elusive bird? No problem. With its built-in bird watching and moon modes, you can capture these moments with ease. You don't need to do tricky settings. But the P950 doesn't just zoom, it zooms with stability, thanks to its dual detect optical VR, which keeps your shots steady even if your hands aren't. And if you love editing your photos, you'll love the RAWNRW format option, which gives you full control over your images in post-production. This little marvel also shoots in super stunning 4K Ultra HD video, so not only can you photograph the action, but you can capture it in beautiful, crisp detail. With faster autofocus and an increased buffer capacity for those high-speed bursts, it ensures you'll never miss those blink-and-you-miss-it moments. Whether you are scaling new heights in creativity or diving into distant landscapes, this smart camera is your all-in-one ticket to adventure. And you get all of this for just under $1,000. It's a real bang for the buck stuff. Number 2. Sony ZV-E10. This mirrorless hybrid camera from Sony is a dream come true for vloggers who want to take their content creation to the next level without breaking the bank. The Sony ZV-E10 is designed with the vlogger in mind, featuring a large 24-megapixel APS-C sensor that gives superb image quality paired with a versatile 16 by 50 millimeter lens. Whether you're shooting product showcases, travel vlogs, or simply capturing your daily life, this camera has you covered. Its vari-angle LCD touchscreen makes framing shots a breeze, while the built-in directional microphone ensures that your audio is crisp and clear without any extra mic. But the magic doesn't stop at vlogging. The Sony ZV-E10 is also a beast for still photography, allowing you to capture back-breaking high-resolution images at up to 11 frames per second. Its advanced autofocus system, with real-time eye AF and tracking, ensures your subjects stay sharp, even when they're in motion. The 4K video recording capability, paired with features like background defocus, will make your video look professional and cinematic. For under $1,000, the ZV-E10 packs an impressive punch, making it the ideal choice for creators looking for quality, versatility, and value, all in one compact package. Number 3. Canon EOS Rebel SL3. The Canon SL3 is not the most high-tech or sophisticated option. What it does offer, however, is a perfect balance of simplicity, quality, and portability, all packed into the lightest and smallest DSLR body in Canon's lineup. Equipped with a 24.1 megapixel CMOS APS-C sensor and the powerful Digic 8 image processor, this camera captures vibrant and detailed photos that are perfect for beginners or anyone looking to explore photography without hassle. The dual-pixel CMOS AF is fast and accurate, with eye detection autofocus that ensures your subjects are always sharp, whether in photos or 4K video. Speaking of video, the SL3 also supports 4K recording and even 4K time-lapse, giving your content that extra edge in quality and creativity. Its 3-inch vari-angle touchscreen LCD makes it easy to frame shots from tricky angles, and for a DSLR, it's surprisingly intuitive to use, ideal for those new to the world of interchangeable lens cameras. It's a modern camera that fits in with today's so-called digital lifestyle because of its built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, which let you share what you have created swiftly with the world. All of this comes in a super compact and budget-friendly package, making the Canon EOS Rebel SL3 an excellent choice for those seeking to step up their content game with ease and reliability. Number 4. Panasonic Lumix G95D. The Lumix G95D is one of the most versatile mirrorless cameras out there for those who crave a mix of photo and video prowess. The powerful 20.3 megapixel digital live MOS sensor on it is intended to allow photographers and content makers alike to effectively convey what they have to say. The included 12 by 60 mm f3.5 to 5.6 lens ensures clear, crisp images, and the lightweight, weather-sealed body makes this camera ideal for capturing adventures in any kind of situation. Whether you're out in nature or in a studio, the G95D has got you covered with reliability and portability. One of its most outstanding features is the 5-axis dual IS2, which offers amazing stabilization to keep your shots steady even in the most tough and challenging environments. For videographers, the camera's 4K 24/30p video capabilities, combined with the pre-installed Vlog-L and 12 stops of dynamic range, allow for immense flexibility in post-production, making sure your footage looks cinematic and professional. The Live View Composite mode adds extra creative control, letting you craft unique composite images directly in camera. And if you're serious about sound, the external microphone and headphone jacks give you the capability to record and monitor high-quality audio. Overall, the Lumix G95D from Panasonic is a flexible powerhouse for anyone looking to elevate both their photography and videography skills. Number 5. Nikon Z50. If you have been looking for a compact, lightweight camera that doesn't compromise on quality, the Nikon Z50 might be exactly what you need. As Nikon's first DX format mirrorless camera with a 55mm lens mount, the Z50 is designed to deliver excellent image quality and outstanding low-light performance. Equipped with a 20.9 megapixel CMOS sensor, it captures sharp, vibrant stills and features robust 4K UHD video recording capabilities, perfect for anyone who wants to step up their photography and vlogging game. The Z50 comes with a versatile 16 by 50 mm lens, giving you the flexibility to shoot wide-angle landscapes, portraits, or anything in between. Its optical image stabilization helps hold sharpness, even when shooting handheld. The selfie flip-down touchscreen is ideal for vloggers or self-portraits, making it incredibly easy to frame and capture the perfect shot every time. Pairing this camera with your smartphone is a breeze, thanks to built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, allowing you to quickly share your content. Another perk of the Nikon Z50 is its compatibility with Nikkor Z lenses, as well as F-mount lenses using the FTZ mount adapter. This gives you access to a wide range of lenses, making the Nikon Z50 a solid choice for photographers who want to grow their kit without any kind of limits. So, there you have it, folks. The top 5 best cameras you can buy under $1,000 in 2024. Each camera we've featured in this video boasts impressive specs, features, and performance at a reasonable price point. But make sure to do your own research and pick the one that best fits your needs. With the right camera and, of course, skill and creativity, there's no limit to what you can achieve in your photography journey. So go out there, start capturing memories, and tell your own unique story through the lens.